Hear AT&T's hatred. Hear the Pope. France is back up noise with Catholic Randall Stevenson being a good Catholic and harassing for the Pope. Doctors, Catholic drunk doctors also do that. Get it on video. Every time you hear that noise, make it a point to try to call me up in front of all Catholic priests, all Catholic doctors, all Catholic cops worldwide. Point out the Catholic Church active in the world's hijacked lifeline. See that phone as every child in the world's lifeline to the firemen, police, paramedics, and get it on video. Being hijacked as you try to call me.